Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make this sick ass grunge underground look for your next event, or if you're doing commissions or whatever, you know, shit. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this look. First thing you want to do is you want to go up to File, New, and you want to go ahead and grab yourself A4 document size here. So just go over to print on Photoshop. Click A4, it'll have the sentence already. Just hold Alt and backspace and it'll fill the background black. Or actually, we're gonna make it orange. The reason I say orange specifically is, you know, we can change it after. To build the base, right? We're building the base. Now, you wanna go ahead and get your rulers up. So just click Control and or, and this will pop up here on the sides. You wanna zoom in a little bit just so, you know, so I'm gonna lay out some guidelines for you guys that we're gonna follow just throughout this. Now, if you want, you can save this document as, you know, with the guidelines and everything, just so you don't have to redo it all. You want to hit Control or, it'll bring up these little things, you know, on the sides, and you want to zoom in just a little bit, and then you want to hold Shift, you want to click on it, you want to drag it out, and we're gonna put it to about 40, maybe 60. And then same here, so since it's 20, it's gonna be like 3 snaps out, so maybe that'll help you guys out just a little bit, because I know on this side it's not like 0 to 100 or whatever. From the top, we're gonna go down 140. This is just gonna be for the sub heading, I guess, like and then we're gonna drag this one down to about maybe 720. That should be good. That should be good. And then drag this one down to 2900. I'm kind of just freeballing this sheet just to give you guys kind of like a guideline with this, because this helped me when I was doing this. So basically, the whole layout is up here is going to be the subhead. This is going to be the headline here, and then this is going to be where the image goes, and then we're going to put, you know, the details down below. We're going to make a new layer. Go up to the marquee tool, this little dotted rectangle here, and you want to make sure it's on the rectangle or marquee tool. If it's not, right click on it, click on the top one, and boom. What we're going to do is we're going to go into this corner and we're going to drag it out into this corner here, just like so. Let's go snap just like that, so it's really hard to mess up, and just fill it in with whatever the other color is, or you could keep it orange. It doesn't really matter. Now, what you want to do is you want to turn it into a smart object. So just right click on it, convert to smart object, and boom. And then this icon's going to pop up. Double click on that, and it's going to bring you into a new document. This is where you put your image in. Alright, so I'm going to be using this image of KANKAN for this. I think for this style, if you have a darker image, like an image that, you know, it's not color graded, it's in a darker setting like this one, it will work really well, because the adjustments, the exact settings I use for the adjustments are, you know, dark based. Once we have this, we're going to move on to the headline text. Now, I'm actually going to make a new ruler here, like a guideline. We're going to put that in the centers, and that will give us like a guideline here. You want to press T, get your text tool up, and I'm going to be using Moderniz for the font. I'll probably leave a link down below if I forget. Make sure you guys, you know, comment, because I read comment. And I'm just going to type in KANKAN, because, you know, that's obviously the person in the picture. And by the way, if you guys are looking to like hide your ruler or whatever, just hit Control and H, and it will, you know, show and hide it. And don't worry, these won't render out or anything like that. It's really just, you know, for your sake, for your peace of mind. After that, I'm just gonna put summers too. You know, you don't really have to. If you have a supporting act, put the supporting act there. We're gonna add some subtext up here. I'm just gonna use a normal Arial font. Now, I don't know if he's actually performing here, but yeah, fuck it. But yeah, that's just, you know, a simple subtext, I guess. If it makes sense to put this here, put it there. If not, you know, it doesn't really matter. But I'm really doing this just to fill in spaces, right? Now I'm going to duplicate that, bring this down, and I'm going to do the promoter's name. Now I'm just doing Box Boys because they're underground. Now I know this shit looks so ugly right now. We're going to change it up, bro. We're going to put a switch on it. Alright, so moving on to the bottom text here, we are going to use Moderniz again. So once you have your Moderniz selected, you want to put in your date. So whichever date format you want to do, I'm just going to do the American one, which I think is 2025. I think it's the year, then the month, and the date. I might be wrong, or it might be the date and the 9/11. Nah, okay. I actually need to make some more guidelines. Let me bring it down to 320, then 3210. Okay. And then 340, 400, I mean. 3400. And then 3480. So for this text right here, what the fuck? We're just gonna like mess around with it. Hold shift while you're, mess around with this, because no, we want to make it look like kind of distorted a little bit. Not too distorted to the point where it's like this or some shit. You see, with a lot of, underground shit, it's a lot of distortion going on, alright? So I'm actually put that in the middle right here. And then we're gonna Control J, duplicate that, drag it down, and bring it down here. I'm gonna do Arial bold for this one, because I would use this, but the font is like weird, so it's all caps. So I'm gonna just use Arial bold, Arial black. So if we do at then whatever venue it is, I'll just say venue. And you can obviously do the same shit I said before. Hold shift while messing with it, just so you can fit it into fit into the guidelines, and it doesn't even look weird because this like is a whole style already. So those are the main points. Also location, but we're gonna do that like kind of, you can do like information, but that's bold. I'll put that over here, and we'll do like a phone number over here, and then the phone number you can have it like that. Just have it sent. Now once you have these, you want to put an address in, whatever address you want to put in. So I'm gonna just put in 89 Gamer Street. Now I'm gonna put this to just a regular font, just so it doesn't look too crazy. We're gonna do starting, or we're gonna do a open and a start time. So open time 7:30. You can bring it in here like this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna like all that shit is gonna be centered up, so it's all good, bro. It's all good. But I might actually have to put this somewhere else. I'll probably just put this here, and then let me see, get these two, put them there, and then what I'm thinking is we could move all this together. Wait, let me try it out. We can move all this shit together. And oh yeah, that looks clean as hell. And then we could stretch this all out. Have it like that. We could even stretch it up. Oh, this shit looks so ass right now, bro. I'm telling you guys, bear with me, bro. Bear with me, alright? So, I created an adjustment pack for this type of shit, right? If you guys are a beginner, you don't know shit, and you're wondering why your things are like bland, they're kind of looking like this, right? And you want to, boost it up, you want to do all that shit. I recommend you guys getting this. All you have to do is literally copy and paste this one, or you can merge all this shit together, export it, drag it in, and you'll see for yourself. I'm just gonna Control V, drag that in, and this is what it's gonna present. Now, the only issue with this is white. Now, alright, so once you have this, what you want to do is you want to bring your KANKAN up and your summers up, just your headline, alright? Whatever is missing, just bring this up and bring this above the gradient map. And then for the summers, you can just, copy this, and it will just blend in easily. Boom. Alright, onto the juicy part, textures. This is gonna make this shit look crazy, alright? Texture right here. I'll probably leave a link down below. Shit, remind me if I don't, but put this to linear light fill, bring this down to probably like 30%, and you're gonna get this crazy ass look. Now, even though I'm actually gonna change this text, it's too high up for me. Yeah, you just want to have it like that. Boom. Now you can add another kind of texture, which is just a solid color. Put that to gray, like so. Go to filter, noise, add noise, convert to smart object. Boom. Right, that's a noise, right? Put that to soft light, and yeah, you got this nice noise look. That's basically it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and let me know if I should drop the whole poster flyer pack with assets and shit like that, and even templates. You guys can edit, put your images in, and then just send off. But yeah, peace.